Welcome back, folks, to the Ford Shop Yard. And in today's video, I want to show you how to remove and replace a starter on a 2006-2010 Jeep Commander Limited 5.7 4x4. If you have a 2006-2010 Jeep Commander Limited 5.7 4x4 Hemi, getting to the starter is easy, but getting it out and disconnecting the electrical wires can be a bit of a challenge. I'm going to show you why. Now, with this being four-wheel drive, you're going to have to take, in some cases you won't have to take the drive shaft out, but since my CV joint broke and left me stranded, I went ahead and removed it. I still got to replace the CV joint. It's $130 on Rock Auto, but with the drive shaft out, it makes it a lot more easy to access the starter. As you can see right there, that's where the bolts are. There's one there, and then there's one right up there. It's only two bolts holding it in. You can see the starter right there. It's got the little shield on it, metal shield on it, protect it from the heat. And so unbolting it is not a problem getting it unbolted. You can actually unbolt it with the drive shaft in, but it's just removing it can make it somewhat, removing the drive shaft can make it easier to remove the starter. As you can see here, I ordered a brand new starter, got it from AutoZone.com, ordered online, and I only buy brand new electrical parts for my vehicles. I do not trust remanufactured starters and alternators. So as you can see, this is a Duralast Gold new starter. FedEx just delivered it probably 30 minutes ago. As you can see, it's 100% new. And so as you can see right there, it cost me $194.39, including the $10 core fee for the old starter. So when I take the old starter off and take it in, I'll get my $10 back. But getting back to actually removing the starter, as you saw, those two bolts, you can get it with the drive shaft, get to them with the drive shaft in. And since I already had to replace the CV joint, I went ahead and took the drive shaft out. But getting to the actual electrical components to get the power wires off the starter, that's the difficult part. Since I've already got the Jeep up on ramps, I'm going to have to roll it back off the ramps and jack this side up, take this tire off, and then go in here. As you can see, might be hard to see the sunlight, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I think there's 2 more back here. That's about 12 plastic clips to remove the inner fender liner. And once you get that out of the way, then you can just reach in there, unbolt the power wire from the starter, and with the 2 bolts holding the starter in removed, you can just easily pull it out through here and put the new one back in, bolt it up, wire it up, and away you go. Put the inner fender cover back in, put all the clips back in, put the wheel and tire back on, and always remember to disconnect your negative battery terminal when you're working on any electrical part on your vehicle, so you don't short anything out and possibly fry the main computer. As you can see, this is a 2007 Jeep Commander. It's got 219,995 miles on it. And the starter has finally went out. It's the original starter, so it's time for a new one. And I have been working on trying to get more videos out, longer videos, but it's just not that easy. I've got to get a new tripod. I'm not that great with editing, so, you know, it's hard to make long videos when you are trying to find things to talk about as you're working on your vehicle and showing, you know, what to do and what not to do. But y'all just stay tuned. This ain't but about a 5 to 6 minute video. Probably won't be, but a 5 or 6 minute video. But y'all stay tuned. I got a lot more videos coming. Just trying to find time between working and my days off and it being so hot. It's August the 1st, so cool weather's just around the corner in about another month and a half. So y'all stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss another one of my videos. Appreciate y'all watching.